We're gonna start off by actually getting a good piece of salmon. Go to your local supermarket or a fish market, even better, and ask for 2 pieces of salmon, just little fillets, probably about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches pieces, just like these. You're gonna take them home, you're gonna rinse them off right under cool water, and then pat them dry. Then, we're gonna take a little piece of aluminum foil, and you're gonna create like a little tray inside of your baking sheet. Now what this is doing is, as the salmon cooks, it's actually gonna give off a little bit of liquids, and this is gonna catch it. Second purpose is, when you're done cooking, you can take the salmon off, crumble it up, throw it out, easy cleanup. Take a little bit of cooking spray right at the bottom, just so the salmon doesn't stick. Take your 2 fillets, there you go, right in the middle. Now we're gonna make the topping. Topping is super easy, but really, really flavorful. So you have just some sliced blanched almonds, a little bit of olive oil, some oregano, looks just about right, some fresh minced garlic, and then some parsley, some fresh lemon juice. Beautiful. Parsley, and a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper. You're gonna mix everything together. Now let's make our salmon almondine. And it's such a great way to like impress friends if you're having friends over and you want to make something special. Not only is it fast, it's delicious, impressive, nutritious, and it's I don't know, it makes the house smell so good. There you go, just right on top. Then you're gonna place it in a hot oven until it's nice and ready. Let's put it in. Smells like the salmon's done. Let's go get it. Let's plate one up. You smell like the garlic and the almonds. It's all toasty. Oh, it smells amazing. And the herbs just like permeate the air. Just gonna finish it with a little hint of lemon juice. And that's it. Simple, elegant, delicious, and nutritious. Salmon almondine. You'll eat better when you bring healthy cooking into your kitchen.